Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to the new In the Post, which is being allocated as In the Post number 9. This week I do have quite a bit of stuff to show you. First of all, I found on eBay and there were 109 coins. There's the first one. They all came in these holders. There are 4 of them. In total, there's 109 world coins. This I got at a very reduced rate, really, for world coins. I think I paid around about £10 for 109 coins. Very cheap. I'm very happy to have got them so cheaply. Again, I've already got, from last week's post, you would have seen I had 4 or 5 bags of coins. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are sort of 56 in that one. There's about 50 in that, 50 odd in that one. There's 35 in that one. And there's about 24, 25 in that one. I will be bagging these up into bags of 20 or 30 before I actually turn them into coin hunts. There's 4 lots there. I know there's 109 coins because that's what they said was in the when I bought it. I have checked that there's 109 there, and there is. So that's going to do me probably 5 hunts or so for the world coin hunts, which is a nice number. Now when you add it to the 4 that I've already got, that'd be 9, possibly 10 hunts that I can make up from those coins. And the reason why I bought them, even though I've got so many other world coins to show you, is the fact that the world coins that I've got and that I've bagged up are 3 and 4 years, up to 4 years old. I bought them 4 years ago, and that means to say that they aren't. There are some modern world coins that aren't in there, so I bought those ones to sort of fill in the gaps. The two payments that I had, or 2 lots that I had bought in the last 2 weeks. This one here is a set of French coins, 510. I think they're 510 25 centimes. They're reasonably old. All of them are old. All of them are, as I say, quite. Let me just take you in a little bit. These are all sort of early 1900s. I haven't taken them out of the package yet, all of them, to check them fully, but there'll be another video. Right. We then have another trading card that came with one of the coins. This one is another internet buy. I've been waiting a little while for this one to come in from the time I bought it, but it is a coloured Australian coin, $2 coin, and it's this year's honeybee. Again, I will be showing that on a video at a later date, or giving you an in-depth overview of it at a later date, as I will be with this one, which is the 150 years of the Open, the £1 coin from Gibraltar. We also have an Erasmus coin which is from Lithuania, I believe. Is it Lithuania? I'm not sure, but it's the brand new coin that's just come out in Europe. I think there's every single country that is in the EMU or uses the euro has to produce a coin for this Erasmus coin. It's called the Erasmus Project, and it's celebrating that and the life and the works of Erasmus. I also got I can tell you who it's from because I've got the stamp here. It's Slovenia. So this coin is from Slovenia, not Lithuania. Sorry, my fault. I have a Slovenian stamp there. That's where it came from. This €2 coin. This one here is some English silver. There are 9 coins in total, 8 threepenny bits, silver threepenny bits, and 1 silver sixpence. They range from Queen Victoria, the coins of Queen Victoria, George V and George VI. And the last coin in this particular, in the post, before we clean the, before we rub off the silver foil on the trading card, is this one here. And a big thank you to Bo Selector Coins, who very kindly got this one for me. I'm not able to get down to the mint very easily. I would need to sort out a lot of stuff like getting a wheelchair to go around in and that sort of thing, a powered wheelchair and that sort of thing. So a huge thank you to him. I'll try and remember to put a link down in the description for Bo's YouTube site. So a big thank you to him. I will be doing a review of this Striker Own very shortly. And lastly, let's clean off this trading card. Right, what does it say? Key facts. This 50p is unusual in the sense that it's very rare for an achievement of a living person to be celebrated on a coin. I wonder if Kelly will give me 5 points for that one, towards the Kelly Cup, since I'm not actually taking part in it this year. I wonder if I'll get 5 points though for that. It's Roger Bannister. Okay, so that's yet another one that I've already got, and it's quite an old one, that one is as well, Roger Bannister, and it's one I've got several times as well. So that goes into the spares pot, that one. So that ends Coin Hunt 9. I hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry about that, I had to get rid of all that horrible silver stuff. There we go. Let's give Danny's place of pride, or pride of place, where he belongs. Right, for those of you who are having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and that you have the coins that you, or get the coins you need for your collection. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy watching. For those of you who don't know, I'm trying to get my subscription level up this year. I've had reasonable success in that. However, if there are still quite a few people that have not yet subscribed who are semi-regular viewers, and if you're a new viewer and you've enjoyed it, please can you think about subscribing? Also, if you can give me the thumbs up and also comments, that would be fabulous. All of these will help me get my videos in front of new prospective clients. Sorry, new clients, what am I talking about? New subscribers. If you've been wondering what the whirring is in the background, that's actually been my fan, because today is one of those very hot days during this summer and I'm melting a little bit. So if you've enjoyed this video, and I thank you for staying, I hope to see you very shortly or very soon in another one of the videos that we do on this channel. And until then, in the meantime, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da.